In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove rolling lines or slow flicker in Davinci Resolve, and we'll do it in just about 5 minutes. Flickering can be a common issue when you're shooting in certain lighting conditions, such as fluorescent lighting. This can lead to an unpleasant viewing experience, and you'll want your footage to be as smooth and professional as possible. So let's dive into the solution. First things first, you need to open Davinci Resolve. If you haven't already launched it, go ahead and do so. Davinci Resolve is renowned for its professional grade editing capabilities, and it's a versatile tool for filmmakers, both amateur and professional alike. Once you have it open, you're going to select a project to work on. This can be an existing project that's already loaded with your footage, or a new project where you're planning to add clips experiencing these rolling lines. Next, navigate to the color page. Within Davinci Resolve, the color page is where the magic happens in terms of adjusting visuals and correcting any inconsistencies in your footage. You'll find the layout quite intuitive, but if you're new to it, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the various tabs and tools available in this section. After accessing the color page, you'll want to look for the effects library. This is where Davinci Resolve houses a plethora of effects that you can apply to enhance or correct your video. By clicking on effects, you'll see a list of numerous possible adjustments you can make. These effects are powerful tools. They not only allow you to make aesthetic changes, but also offer solutions to technical problems like flickering. Now, within the effects options, search for Flicker Addition. This effect is specifically designed to tackle issues related to unwanted flickering. It's a specialized tool that can analyze your footage and correct the inconsistencies caused by the lighting environment or camera settings. Once applied, the Flicker Addition works to reduce or eliminate those rolling lines, giving your video a far cleaner and more professional appearance. To apply the effect, simply drag and drop it onto your clip in the timeline. Once it's been applied, you might want to preview your footage to ensure that the flicker has been adequately addressed. If needed, you can tweak the settings within the effect to better suit the specific flickering issue you're facing. Sometimes subtle adjustments make a world of difference, so don't hesitate to fine-tune the parameters. And there you have it, a simple way to deal with those distracting rolling lines in your video projects using Davinci Resolve. By following these steps, you can maintain the visual quality of your content, ensuring it meets the high standards your audience expects. With practice, managing flicker can become second nature, leaving you free to focus on more creative aspects of your work. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you find this guide helpful for your future projects.